Friends, this is all given to you. Now, what is to be done? You all know that when you have given an means the last term. So we'll start from an. Formula will be a plus n minus 1d. an की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 49. So why we are finding over here an? Because you don't have given the value of n. So whenever you don't have given the value of n and you have given the last value, so put this formula and you will get the value of n. So a is there, that is 1 plus n is not given to you, but d we have already find it out, that is 2. 49 is equal to 1 plus, get the multiplications, 2 1 ja 2n, 2 1 ja minus 2. Now what is to be done? Minus 2 and 1 got cancelled, so we will get minus 1. Why it is minus 1? Because the bigger number that is in minus form. So minus 1 is transferred over that side. So 49 plus 1 is equal to 2n. So if you wish to find out n, so it will be easily to find out. It is 25. Now this is just the value of n. But what they have demanded? They had demanded to calculate Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Another one formula also can be used, or Sn is equal to n upon 2, where a plus l also can be put it out. So by calculating this method or this method, you will find the same answer. Let's try to solve this question by both of the methods. N will be 25, a that is given 1, 25 minus 1 24, and d is also given to, that is 2. 25 by 2, 2 1 the 2 plus 24 2 the 48. Get the multiplication, 48 plus 250. 225 is a 50. 25 into 25 करेंगे, so it will be 625. So if we get 625 by this method, similarly we will get 625 by this method. Let's try. So S25 is to be calculated, 25 upon 2, where your a that is given to you, that is 1. L means last term, that is 49. So 25 upon 2 and 49 plus 1, it is 50. You can see the same thing, but it's quite easy to calculate. 25 to 25, the same result will be appear over here, that is 625. So S25 will be 625. So either you can calculate by this method or you can calculate by this method. You will get the same answer. Okay friends, I hope आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. Till then, bye bye. Now we will discuss question number 15. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follow: 200 rupees for the very first day, 250 for the second day, and then after 300. What is given this one? The amount of penalty, 200, then 250, then 300, and so on. Every time your penalty will be 50 rupees to be paid if you are not completing your contract within the period of time. It is given the penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. Okay, we can say आपकी 200 पहली penalty थी, then second penalty 250 में 50 रुपीस ज़्यादा हुआ, then 300 में तो 50 रुपीस ज़्यादा हुआ. So वो डेटा देने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं रहा उसको कि 50 रुपये उसकी penalty हो, तो हम यहाँ से जज कर सकते हैं. After that, how much money the contractor has to pay as the penalty? Penalty के रूप में contractor को कुल कितनी रकम देनी पड़ेगी if he delayed the work by 30 days? So N is there, that is 30. और ये बोल रहा है कि contractor अगर एक महीने तक काम में डिले करता है, then how much penalty he will pay? So total penalty he is to pay ना. अगर ऐसा बोला होता कि how much penalty is to be paid by contractor on 30th day, on 30th day बोलता, then we will find A30. or what is demanded, how much amount is to be paid by contractor if he complete his work at up to 30 days. 30 दिन के अंदर वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को पूरा करता है तो उसे कुल कितनी रकम पे करने की आएगी, मींस सम इज डिमांडेड. So as 30 is demanded, we will calculate A30 also, but the question that is demanding, that is only S30. So let's start with this one. So n is given to you, Sn is there, that is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S30 is demanded, and that is 30 upon 2, 2a. A means the very first term, that is 200, plus n is there, that is 30 minus 1, but d we had not calculated. We will calculate this one. D is equal to a2 minus a1. It is already given 250 minus 200, so 50. So d is there, that is 50. So though if we don't calculate even d by putting this formula a2 minus a1, it is directly given to you that penalty is 50 rupees more compared to the previous day penalty. So d is there given to you. So 2 15s are 30, 2 2s are 400, plus 30 minus 1, 29 into 50. So you can see 400 plus, get the multiplication of 29 into 5. So 5 9s are 45, 4 carry karo, 4 2s are 8, sorry 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 40, and keep 0 over there. Then add both of these things, 14 plus 4, 1850. Okay friends, now multiply this one. So 50 0 0, 15 5 is 75, so 5, keep 7 over there, 15 8 is 120, 120 plus 7, so 127, 7 will be there, 127 में से 7 को हम यहाँ लिख रहे हैं, तो जो 12 आया वो उसका क्या हो जाएगा, पावर हो जाएगा, 15 बन जाए 15 plus 12, it will be 27. So totally he will have to pay 27,750 rupees as penalty of the whole of the month for 30 days. Now the next, now the question is 16. A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. So total amount हमारे पास कितनी है, 700. तो ये जो total amount दिया है ना, इसको SN बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. So 700 रुपए को मुझे 7 prizes में distribute करना है. Okay. Then to students of school for their overall academic performance, if each prize is 20 less than preceding prize. Now this is D is given. If each price is 20 less than preceding price, less है मतलब -20. अब ये कैसे हुआ, तो पीछे वाला क्वेश्चन हमने जस्ट सोल्व किया थोड़ी देर पहले, तो उसमें क्या पॉइंट देखा हमने कि अगर आपका हर एक दिन के बाद उसकी जो पेनल्टी है 50 रुपीज इंक्रीज हो रही है, अगर प्लस इंक्रीज हो रही है मतलब +50, और अगर डिक्रीज हो रही है मतलब -20. तो यहाँ ऐसा दिया गया है, सपोज योर फर्स्ट प्राइस इज 100 रुपीज, तो सेकंड जो होगा उससे कम होगा, 20 कम होगा, मतलब कितना होगा 80, देन नेक्स्ट इट विल बी 60, देन नेक्स्ट इट विल बी 40. सो दैट, सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट D is equal to A2 minus A1. So your A2 is equal to 80 minus 100. So 80 में से 100 लेस करोगे, it will be -20, but it is directly given to you that your D, that is -20. How -20? See the words. Each price is 20 less than its preceding price. Find the value of each price. अब हमें सब वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, ठीक है. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमें जो चीज़ दी हुई है वहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे. अभी हमें अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिया ही नहीं गया, वो हमें फाउंड करना है, ठीक है. तो Sn इज देयर. Sn का फॉर्मूला सबको पता होना चाहिए. Sn इज इक्वल टू n अपॉन 2, देन 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 एंड d. Sn, n is not given, but okay. 2a, what is a? A is also not given to you. Plus n minus 1, that is missing, but d is there, that is -20. Done. ओके सो अच्छा सम के अंदर n दिया हुआ है, हाउ कैन वी से दिस वन, बिकॉज देयर टोटल 7 प्राइजेस, हमारे प्राइजेस आते हैं, so it can be said n is equal to 7. This Sn, in place of n we can put 7. So here in place of n put 7, again n 7 minus 1. So 7 by 2, if we want to cut them, cut it down, otherwise put it the same as it is given. 2a, a is not given, that is missing, alright. 7 minus 1, 6, 6 into 20, minus 20. S7 का वैल्यू है हमारे पास, that is 700. How much it is? 700. Now do the cross multiplication by these or these. So 700 into 2 and 7 will go at the denominator side. On the other hand, you will find 2a, 620 into 6 minus 120. Cut it down. So 100 into 2 will be 200. That is 2a minus 120. Transfer this one over here. तो 200 माइनस 120, वो जो माइनस 120 ऑन द अदर हैंड था, जब इस तरफ आएगा तो वैल्यू में क्या हो जाएगा, सिंबॉलिक वैल्यूज की चेंज हो जाएगी, दैट विल बिकम प्लस 120. ठीक है, सो इट विल बी 120 इज इक्वल टू 2a. सो 2a इज इक्वल टू 320, ऑलराइट, a इज इक्वल टू 320 बाय 2. सो वी गेट द वैल्यू a, दैट इज 160. वी गॉट द वैल्यू a. After getting the value a, you can find out all the value of prices. So here your arithmetic progression: a, then a plus d, then a plus 2d, a plus 3d. Similarly, you have 7 prices, right? So we'll go up to 6, a plus 6d. There are total 7 prices, right? So you will get a. How much a? That is 160. We got this one. a plus d, मतलब a तो 160 था और d minus 20 था, so it will be 140. Then a plus 2d, so you can see 20 into 2 minus 40, so 120. So on, it will be 100, then it will be 80, then it will be 60, and last price will be 40. So your arithmetic progression can be seen over here like this one: 160, 140, 120 and so on up to last word that you have given, that is 40. So this is all about this question. I hope you got this one, how we have calculated this one. Friends, if you like these questions, if you got understand, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. See you with the next video. Bye bye.